Hi everyone, I am Adil from WordPress Plugins Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss another important plugin. It is all about auto optimization of your WordPress website. This plugin is going to be very useful for the people who have major portion of CSS and JavaScript files, and it will also optimize your images, your lazy load images, your Google fonts. Overall, after using this plugin, you can easily increase the efficiency of your website. So we will further discuss into the video tutorial. Before we move toward the videos, I request all of you to kindly subscribe my channel. So here we start the video. This is the admin panel of my website. You need to go into plugins and then click on add new. Now in search box we need to write auto optimize. So this is the plugin which we are going to review today. So click on install and then activate it. I have already done it. So let us go to the next point. After installing and activating this plugin, you need to come in the setting option, and then at the end you will find auto optimize. Click on it. After activating this plugin, you will also find this option here on your admin panel. So there are some options you need to set out. For example, this is JavaScript, CSS and HTML. It up to you which portion you want to optimize, which factor you want to optimize. You can click on it. There are some other option which you can use according to your own. So I'm going to click all of this. So then comes CSS option. Okay, in line above. Okay, this is up to you which option you want to go. I also want to optimize HTML option. There are some other detail which you need to fill it out. Okay, you can save it, or you can go on the next option, images. You can click, you can check optimize images. Here you can set the quality, glossy and lossless. Okay, if you want to check it out the type of image quality after compression, you can click in this link. So I'm going to with this be with glossy. Okay, there are some other option. Automatically serve next generation the WordPress WebP images format to any browser that supports. Okay, it will compress the images according to the browser. Okay, it's up to you, check it or uncheck it. You can click save changes. There are some other options which you need to consider. Okay, for this option you will have to create a custom API key. You can create it on the website of this auto optimize plugin. Okay, there are some extra options. Okay, if you want to optimize your Google fonts, it's up to you. Google fonts leave as is. If you want to remove this Google font, you can click remove Google fonts. Okay, remove emojis effect. There are some other options as well which you need to consider. Okay, if you have YouTube videos on your website, you can also check it out. Okay, for this purpose you will have to install and click install this plugin, this one. If you have some YouTube videos or YouTube gallery on your website, it will also optimize it, but for this you will have to install WordPress YouTube Lite. So if you want some more optimization, so there will be some more plugins. Okay, you can select whichever plugin according to your requirements. Okay, now what we need to do after all these settings, we need to click on save changes, or you can also click on this option save changes and empty cache. It will also clarify your caches. You can also choose any of the option. I'm going to choose this one, save changes and empty cache. So now it has been saved and it has also cleared the caches. If you want to use, Okay, this is the option available for us. So whenever you hover your point cursor on it, auto optimize, it will give you the information, cache info. Right now there is nothing. If you find some cache, then you can click on delete caches. Okay, it will optimize, auto optimize your website. So this is all about the today video tutorial. Hope you like the video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel.